All right, week 10, day 5. Today you are talking about rectangles. This is the last shape in your study of polygons. Rectangles are a polygon because they have straight sides, no gaps or openings, two lines meet to make a corner. They are also a quadrilateral because they have four sides. And rectangles are also a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel. So today let's take a look at some traits of rectangles. And then we will discuss why they are considered rectangles. So first, traits of rectangles, they are polygons, they are quadrilaterals. All rectangles have four 90-degree angles, which means they form perfect corners. Trey? Out. Go. You're going to be scooping water out of the toilet in a heartbeat. You don't put water in it. Come on, go. Nope. Nope. Mommy. Sorry about that. Working with kids. Four right angles, which means they form a perfect corner, like a letter L, and they measure 90 degrees. Rectangles also have two sets of opposite equal sides, so it means like the left and the right would be the exact same size, top and bottom would be the same exact size. So opposite sides have to be what we call congruent, which is just a big fancy word for equal. And then the last one, opposite sides of rectangles are parallel. So we take a look at this first object here. This may look familiar as one of the shapes you studied last week. We do have four sides. We do have four angles, but they are not 90 degrees, so this cannot be a rectangle. Also, these do not have opposite equal sides. These two sides on the left and right are equal, but top and bottom are not. Next, this shape is a polygon. It is a quadrilateral with four sides. It does have four 90-degree angles. If you ever see a little square symbol here in a corner of a shape, that means it measures 90 degrees. It has two sets of opposite sides that are congruent. This side and this side are congruent. Top and bottom are congruent. And then opposite sides are parallel. So this is a yes. Next, it's a polygon. It's got four sides, so it's a quadrilateral, but it does not have 90-degree angles. None of these angles are 90 degrees, so this is a no. Down here, it's a polygon. It's quadrilateral. It's got four 90-degree angles. These all measure as right angles, 90 degrees. Opposite sides are congruent. Left and right sides are the same size. Top and bottom are the same size. And the opposite sides are also parallel. So this is a yes. All right, immediately some people might look at this and say, nope, not a rectangle, because it looks like a square tilted on its side or a diamond. But let's see if it matches. Is it a polygon? Yep. Straight sides, no gaps, no openings, no curved or rounded edges. It's a quadrilateral. It's got four sides. It's got four right angles. And it has opposite sides that are congruent. This side and this side match. This side and this side match. And opposite sides are parallel. And somebody might say, yeah, but all four sides are the same size. That's okay. As long as opposite sides are the same, this is a rectangle. So technically, a square can be called a rectangle, but not all rectangles are squares. And then this last one, well, it's not even a polygon because it's got rounded corners. So this is a big no. All right, so there's your video for today. Pardon the little tray trying to scoop water out of the toilet interruption. I'm not going to cut that out. It's for you to enjoy. So do your work today. Submit your answers either through a picture on email, or you can enter them online using the links on my webpage. And then after today, if you've done all your other work, you should be good. The rest of your packet is just review. You do have a science lesson in there you have to submit to me, but the review pages are for yours to use. You do not have to send me your review work. Email me if you have questions. Have a good day.